Avery, who sent you that box? Who's the box from?
From Nana.
It's from Nana and Papu. Can you open it?
Yeah.
You got some stickers first?
Yeah.
Some doggies?
Yeah.
Grandma get you those stickers?
Yeah. Stickers. I've got stickers.
Oh, good. Okay, open the box. What's in there?
Nana's.
Is it Nana's box? Nothing's in there. It's just stuffing. Can you pull out the rest of them? Open them all. Oh, what's that, Avery?
And then wine.
Oh, boy. Cookies.
Oh, open the cookies?
Well, you got to finish your sandwich first, and then we'll have the cookies.
Oh, my.
Oh, my. What's that, Avery? VeggieTales. Is that Larry the cucumber?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, this other one. That's bigger.
Yeah. What else is in the box? Look.
I see here.
Is that for the baby? Is that her bib?
Yeah.
Is that for Annabelle?
Yeah.
Oh, cookies. Yum.
Wow.
Oh my, look at these cookies.
So open it.
No, not yet. We have to finish our sandwich first.
Oh my.
Oh my, what is that, honey? Is that underwear?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
That's.
It's underwear for Avery.
I said carrot.
Carrot. Open this egg, see what's in there.
What's in there?
Annabelle wants some jelly beans, don't you, baby? Oh my.
Open it.
Yeah, we'll open it in a little bit. What's this? M&M's? Oh boy.
Open it.
Oh, combos for Daddy.
Open it. That one.
Oh, Avery, look at this. What's this? This sheep, is that Annabelle's sheep? Bah. Does Annabelle like this sheep? Bah. Oh, what's in this one? What's in there? Ooh, a chocolate rabbit. Oh, Avery, look at this.
A
VeggieTales chocolates for Avery.
Open it.
Oh my. That's Daddy's chocolate bunny. Mommy's eggs.
Did Avery open it?
No, that's Mommy's eggs. Oh, Avery, what's this?
I'm going to open the rabbit. I'm going to eat it.
Oh, you ate it? Was that good? What Mommy has. Ooh, fruit crisps. Avery, look what else. What's this one? Goldfish? And Annabelle. This is yours, baby. Here you go. Say thank you, Nana. Avery, can you say thank you, Nana?
Thank you, Mama.
Say thank you, Papu.
Thank you, Papu.
Love you.
I love you.